Alright everybody, so welcome back to Haywire RC. We got the LST and the buggy. We're working out some starter box issues as the starter box once again is broken. Yeah, it seems to break on us every time. Yeah guys, so I just drove the LST for a little test run. Did some high-speed passes with it. Transmission's working great, no more slipping. However, my 2-speed's actually getting a little bit late, so I may need to adjust it a little bit. It's been a while since you've seen the buggy, a couple weeks. The buggy, we got the new fresh sticky tires. Those things are great. If you guys are wondering, those are the Schumacher Venom tires with Schumacher rims. I really like them. The LST we fueled up with 20%. We got 30% in the buggy. We're gonna go ahead, just rip them around the parking lot. No jumps today. Got some snow banks, unfortunately, blocking the jump. Alright guys, that's pretty much all I got to say. Now I think it's time to fire these guys up and get them rolling. Main issue, just that our wheel's worn out. So we're gonna try to flip it around. Hopefully that'll be just enough to get it running. Our box died. Yeah, so no juice, can't start it. LST video today. Let's get her running. What the fuck? Alright everybody, so we refueled it. Got like half a tank, that's all the fuel I got. But also, my glow plug is bad, so I got this new glow plug. Here's the old one. Wah, wah. Doesn't even light actually. This thing's filthy, it's old. I like going right there. Alright, now time to install the new glow plug. See how it runs now. Yeah guys, it ended up breaking again. I actually repaired that, that's why it broke. You can see, I stuck a piece of plastic right there. So that's gonna be it. Because I don't have any parts, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and order some. Unfortunately, the flag broke off at the very end. Turns out the fuel line actually snapped in the cold. That's surprising. Yeah guys, so I got in a little caddy. Gonna take her back because I'm not carrying it back in this cold. Let's see what she's got. Oh yeah, like mint. I broke the LST 2 days in a row. Because actually yesterday, how it all started was I actually, I hit a block of ice pretty much on a high-speed jump. And yeah, that didn't go so well. I ended up also bending the cooling head a little bit. So that got me pretty bummed. But you know what, it happens when you bash these things like I do, you know. You end up breaking the entire thing. Like that. Like, just like that. You break it. Yeah, everybody. But the Mach 2.6, though it's got a bent cooling head, it is running great. I gotta say, the pinch in it, oh, jeez. Yeah. This thing's still alive, 20 years. Somehow manages to get more pinch than the 454. Everything about the truck's pretty much good now, except I did have to, this battery keeps dying. I gotta get a new receiver battery. The thing only lasts like an hour now, and I charge it fully every single time. That battery's a piece of junk. That's why this is here, because I had an old battery on here, which that only lasted 15 minutes too, because for some reason the battery that I always keep in the truck, it only lasts an hour. Not even. I charge it pretty much every time before I use it, and only lasts an hour. It dies. Yeah, guys, I'll move the LST out of the way. And the buggy. Unfortunately, the starter box is giving us issues. But the last time we ran it, this thing was like the greatest thing ever. This 454 engine, which has a turbo head, is my best running engine I think I've ever experienced in my entire life. Yeah, guys, I'll apologize once again that we couldn't get the buggy to run. The buggy's definitely one of our better vehicles, and I am just as bummed as you that we couldn't get it running because of our stupid starter box. I'm just blaming on the starter box. It's really my fault because I don't really know how to work on them. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for the video. Stay tuned for more LST stuff. I'll definitely get more videos on the way. And stay tuned for this little guy, because when that starter box is fixed, we'll definitely rip this up. Also, guys, I haven't forgotten. Trophy truck's still right here. I still have plans for this thing in the near future, so don't be thinking that I'm just, quitting on this project. The truck's coming together. I ended up making a base plate. I just gotta machine it. And then hopefully that'll just bolt right in. I'll weld the mounts up. And then we'll have a running RC. Like I said, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't tuned into my later videos, feel free to check those out. Also, check out the buggy video of the buggy running. Maybe it'll fill the void and, it's like you're watching the buggy run today. Alright, guys, it's enough talking for me. Ducky and this pencil I found. Say goodbye.